Yes, guys, me again, Jamaican boy from Kenya. Okay, there is some people say that, yeah, I'm just saying I'm a liar. Today I have this the OB. I have an OB here. Yeah, this is the OB for someone who stolen from me my phone. But I don't mean that I'm going to arrest him. No. Yeah, I just want to prove to you that the OB, I was having the OB is here, and it's true that the Brian stolen from me. That's why I have carried this my OB so that I show you that it's true. Let's go, and please go with me. Yeah, follow, subscribe, and comment. Jamaican boy from Kenya. Let's go, man. Thank you guys. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican boy Kenya, Africa. Yeah. So guys, welcome again. Yeah, to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Yeah. Okay, now today guys, I think today is day 4 me to come here to assist Brian some job. Yeah, you know, first day when I come here to complain about Brian, yeah, how he stolen from me. There are some people say that that's the means of getting YouTube, but it was not that way. Yeah, but the truth is the Brian, yeah, stolen from me. And I think today I want to show you the OB that I come with it. Yeah, today I've come with the OB. Yeah, this is the Brian old home. Brian old home. Yeah, this is the Brian's home. Brian's old home. This one. Yeah, I've not ever taken you in this place inside here, but today I've decided to show you the Brian's home, the old Brian's home. Yeah, not that latest that we are just building there, but inside here. Yeah, this is the Brian's home now. Not that. Yeah, this is where he's living while building the big mansions outside there. Okay. Yeah, this is the cage of Brian. Yeah, this is the house of Brian was living there. Yeah, even now he's slept inside there, because the work have not completed outside there. Yeah, still the construction is going on. Yeah, that's why he still live inside here. Yeah, so people, yeah, you know, there's some people say that Jamaican boy come with the that is they say many things about that my complaint that Brian he stolen from me. Someone says that is false. Yeah, someone say that is false, but I think I'm going to show you the OB. Yeah, the OB that I given from the police station, near police station. Yeah, at my village there where I come from. Yeah, so today I've come with that OB, so I'm going to show you guys that is true, and I'm going to found Brian. Yeah, and I want Brian to tell you that the stolen of my phones, the stolen of the phones is true. It's not false, man. Yeah, so don't say that. Yeah, it's a means of getting YouTube. No, it's not that way, guys. Yeah, yeah, I've come to realize that, you know, uh, okay, let me say that today again, not that I'm going to show you only the OB. No, many things. I'm going to assist Brian to build. Yeah, I'm going to assist those workers, those mansions outside there. I'm going to be a worker, to be a hand worker for today. I think is day 4. Day 4. Yeah. To me, today is day 4 to become here and assist Brian. Today is day 4, and the work is going on outside there. So I'm gonna take you outside there, guys. Okay. So let me say this before I go outside there. Let me say this one, that the people who think that it was not true that Brian stolen from me. Okay, you can just come. You can just go on watching this video until the end. Yeah, until the end. So you are going to see that it's true that Brian, he stolen from me my 2 phones. One is a Samsung S06 and another one was Nokia. Yeah, and when I come here to see Brian, when I came here, when I follow up the Brian, at those days I was not found him. Yeah, because he told me that his home is in the different village than this one. And I go searching him there in the village that he usually told me that his home is there, but I never found him there. Yeah, so guys, me to know that this is a home of Brian, it has taken a long time me to know that this is the home of Brian. Yeah, it's I was watching, I was following the boss, I am Marwa, yeah, to his channel. That's why I came out. I saw someone like Brian. When I saw that, wow, I saw someone like Brian, not someone like Brian. I saw Brian to his channel, yeah, to boss channel, yeah. That's why I started to follow the channel of the boss, I am Marwa, and I became to know that this is the home of Brian, and I came up with the what can I say? Okay, when I know that this is the home of Brian, not that I know it immediately, no. First I started to follow Boss Ayamaro to his channel. I follow, and then I follow just for 2 weeks. No, not 2 weeks. 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. Yeah, I take 1 week to know where is Brian Holmes is. Yeah, but I was following the Boss Ayamaro channel. Yeah, that's why I come up to this home of Brian. So guys, those people say that it was not true The Brian not he don't stolen from you. Okay, not that way. Brian he stolen from me. You know, people are wondering, the people are saying now, if the Brian stolen from you, now why you go there to his home and assist him doing some constructive work? You know, guys, what made me to not arrest Brian is that I came here to a home of Brian, and when I came here, I get boss I am Marwa doing some very important thing. Yeah, something that was touch my heart too. Yeah, I get some people. I get here. Yeah, people are busy constructing for Brian's new home, so I be interested. And I decided when I get people doing some constructing here and there, yeah, construct the house of Brian. Me too, I decide to forgive Brian. Yeah, I decide to forgive Brian, and I decide to say that Brian now he's going to be my friend. But you know, there is people saying that why? People saying why? Why? Why I don't arrest Brian and I get him? A thief who stolen from my phones of my client. Yeah. You know, when it became this way, there's a people who will understand, and there's another one who will say negative. But for me, okay, I'm going to show you the OB that I have come with it. Okay, I have come with the OB, and the OB is here. And even right now, if I say that I want to arrest Brian, I can. Yeah, so it's because I don't want, you know. You know, there's something I have had to my heart telling me that leave the boy. Yeah, you know, I have see something. Yeah. So if the people, yeah, from abroad, the people from everywhere in the world can assist Brian, why me? From just around, from the near, not near village, but from same can't, why I can't forgive Brian and assist him? That's why I've said that that obey of arresting Brian, I have cancelled, man. Yeah, I have cancelled, and right now I've decided to forgive Brian. I have decided to be a friend of Brian. I have decided to not arrest Brian. And guys, please, let's show love by assisting Brian, yeah, to build his new home. Okay, yeah, let's assist Brian to build his new home. And me myself, okay, I can't say that I can say that I'm going to support in terms of funds, of money. No, I don't have any money. I don't have any money to fund him. But what I have is energy. I'm going to fund him with energy. Yeah, by assisting the mansion there, assisting the roofers, those who are no roofing there, the house of Brian. I'm going to use my energy now. Yeah, this one here. I'm going to use my energy here, because I don't have any money to support Brian. Yeah, so guys, you just follow me and see how it's going to be. Yeah, there will be is here. There will be now. Today I have there will be. I'm going to show you there will be. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you there will be. So guys, follow, watch, please subscribe and support. Let's show love guys. Let's show love to Brian. And by subscribing, please subscribe channel. Yeah, Jamaican boy, share the link and support. Watch till the end, and you will see how it gonna be. Okay, but right now I've said that me and Brian, we are a friend. I've said that I have forgiven Brian. Okay, yeah, I don't want any money from Brian. I don't want anything Brian. Yeah, you can see here, this is the iron sheet. Yeah, this is the iron sheet. Okay, this is the phone they have taken the iron. This is the iron sheet that they are using to roof the house of Brian. This is the iron sheet they have used. They use this. This is what they use to roof the house of Brian. I'm gonna to show you outside there. Okay, so guys, please follow, watch until the end, so you will see what's going on and you will see what I'm gonna do. Yeah, today is day 4 me to be here and to assist, yeah, my boy. Now I can call Brian my boy. Not thief, no, I can call Brian my boy, not thief. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to assist my boy Brian. Yeah, with my strength. I'm going to remove my strength because I don't have money, but I'm going to use my strength to assist Brian's work. Okay, yeah guys, support, show love to Brian, show love, please. Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa. Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa. Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa. Let's show love to Brian. Let's go and assist. Let's go and assist Brian with my strength. Me, I'm using my strength. I don't have funds. I cannot fund Brian with money because I don't have. Okay, yeah, let's go, man. Follow me. Yeah man, yeah man. What's that? You are good? Yeah, I can see you have nail here. Yeah. You are preparing nail.
I'm putting rubbers.
Okay, you are putting rubbers.
Nails.
Okay, now rubbers. This for what? These rubbers?
This one prevents against the leakage of water into the house.
Okay.
In case of a big hole,
yeah,
this rubber prevents water from entering there.
Okay, yeah. This rubber prevents water from reaching the inside house.
Yeah.
Okay guys, you can see this rubber. This is what he is doing. See how he's doing this. Yeah. Okay, that's the rubber. He's putting the rubber to the nail so that to prevent water not if the nail make the big hole to the iron sheet, the rubber will protect. Yeah, when the rain can rain, the rubber will protect the water do not enter inside the house. Okay, you can see this is the rubber. Let me show you. This is the rubber, guys. This one here, this one here, this one here. This is the rubber. You can see This is the rubber. Okay. Yeah. Now, guys, the way I've told you that my support to Brian is a strength. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to remove my strength, my all strength, till we finish this construction that is going on. Okay, you can see. Yeah, see out the bungalow. The bungalow, yeah, it's going on. Okay, you can see. You can see the bungalow. They have already roof one side. Yeah, I'm going to take you around the house so that you see what is going on. Okay. Yeah, this is the nail and this is the rubber. He's putting the rubber to the nail. Okay, guys, follow me. Let's go. Okay, Fundi, together. Yeah, man. Yeah, Buddha. Safi, inakuaje? I can see umeshaanza.
Yes.
Ulianza kitambo.
Yes, already I've started here.
Okay.
Since morning.
Yeah.
We are here.
Yeah, okay.
And as you can see the work.
Yeah, I can see the progress.
The progress is still going on.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah, guys, you can see now the progress is too close now.
Yeah.
It's too close, and me, I'm going to assist Buddha here with my strength. Okay.
Yeah.
The way I've told you that me, I have no money, but I have strength.
Yeah.
To put here, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
It's a Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is Buddha.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Buddha, Nico
Yeah,
Buddha.
my name is Nico Buddha.
Yeah.
Top messer.
I can see your channel, Buddha.
Yeah.
It's very, yeah. In fact, I see your channel is growing well.
It's growing.
Yeah, it's growing.
So
man.
we thank God.
Yeah.
Because who make us to be here is God.
It's God, of course.
Second one, we thanks our team.
Yeah.
Especially Team Marwa.
Yeah.
For love and support.
Of course.
As you can see, we are here.
Yeah. Assisting.
Let us assist.
Yeah.
Make sure Brian can get a better place.
Okay.
Can live.
Yeah.
And his family.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I can see this your handman.
This is my handman.
Yeah.
Of today.
Okay.
Yeah, we do here a good job.
Today they have said that you will have only one handman here.
Yeah.
Or how did the boss say?
For today.
Yeah.
Our boss is saying let me use with the one handman.
One only.
Yeah.
Okay.
So others is have a job.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And as we see that we are almost.
Okay, you are almost.
Yeah, we are almost.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can see what you can do again.
Okay, Buddha.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Ayo.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Boy.
Yes.
How are you, my friend?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see you are here.
I am here.
Yeah, assisting.
Yeah, we are doing. We are.
You're also a handman.
This one. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a handman.
Yeah.
So I'm a volunteer here.
Yeah, a volunteer.
Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Chris Madiba.
Yeah.
For the people who don't know me, you can check me out. I am also content creator.
Yeah.
My good name is Chris Madiba.
Chris Madiba.
Show me love.
Yeah.
I will appreciate.
Guys,
Support
show
this
love.
Channel.
Yeah.
I hope now you have 1,000 subscribers.
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
How many subscribers do you have now?
I think now I've reached 900.
Okay.
930.
Yeah, even this video.
Yeah.
It's gonna bring you like more than 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you.
Yeah, because it's gonna be viral.
Okay.
What you wanna do?
Yeah.
Maybe you can beg Marwa.
Yeah.
If you share like 3 video, 4 videos.
Yeah.
It will go.
It will go viral, okay?
Yeah, something
Yeah,
like
of course.
Yeah, we are here, brother.
Yeah.
One love.
One love, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, guys, let's show love. Yeah, the way I've come here, I want to be frontier. The way I've just told you that me, I'm going to use my strength. The strength is what I have, is what I can just put here to make sure the Brian's house have been finished. Guys, let's go, let's watch, let's support, guys. What's up,
guys? How are you guys? What's up, bro?
I'm good, bro.
Me too, I'm good.
Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah, man.
You are not
Yeah,
Jamaican.
Yeah.
No. No.
Oh, it's 3 times.
3 times.
One.
Like a Jamaican
2,
way.
3.
What a gwen.
Wagwan. Show love.
Love.
One love.
Yeah, guys, this is my
Yes.
Kizo.
Yeah,
This is Ken Chronicles here.
What's up, guys? This is Ken Chronicles over here.
Yes.
We are here trying to support this amazing construction that's going on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw the other day you put Brian on wanted. Or was
Yes.
it you or your brother?
It's me.
But you withdraw the case.
I withdraw.
Oh.
But there is some people they don't believe that the Brian stolen from me.
Oh.
Because they saw how I've come frontier. Now they are saying that it's not true that Brian stolen from me.
Actually, I was going to drink water. Let me go out and
Okay,
come
go
back.
and come.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, guys, let's continue watching and subscribing, guys. Your support. I'm going to take you around the house. Yeah, and today I have told you that today I'm going to show you the OB that I could use to arrest Brian, but because of Boss Marwa and because of I can see here people have come volunteer. Why me? Why me I arrest Brian? I've come to decide that I'm going to forgive. I've already forgiven Brian, and Brian now is my friend, and I'm going to what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be volunteer and assist Brian work. Yeah, so that I make sure I make sure me too I have put my strength here and assist this boy, yeah, to make something. Yeah, or not to make something, to at least to see that his house is complete. Guys, let's go and see what people are saying. This is the veranda. Okay. And what's up?
Yup, na.
What's up, man?
What's up, nigga?
Yes, nigga.
Kwaje?
Fiti.
Poa.
Yeah, I can see.
Tupo.
Yeah, the work is good.
Tupo kwenye kazi hapa.
Si ndio?
Kazi nzuri tu.
Kabisa.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the fundi from Pro TZ. You know, Kiingereza, English is hard, man.
English is
What's up, man?
You know.
Yeah.
Guys, my name is Marwa.
Yeah, Vat.
I'm here.
Vat Marwa. Okay, me I'm Jamaican boy.
Jamaica. Even me,
Boy thing.
I'm Marwa. I do comedy. Please,
Okay.
guys, go
Go and subscribe
so go and
to
subscribe my channel.
his channel, guys.
Search Badi Marwa comedy.
Vat Marwa comedy.
Like
YouTube.
and it's a YouTube, TikTok, and
Okay.
Facebook.
All platform.
Yes,
Marwa.
it's Marwa.
It's Marwa.
It's a Vadi Marwa.
Vad Marwa.
VADDY
Okay.
space Marwa.
Okay.
Yes.
Wagwan. I can see what's your work here now. Oh, you are handman.
I'm a handman.
You are a handman, okay? Yeah, guys, Vat Marwa is a handman here. So he's doing work with his mansion here. Yeah, now let's go and see what's going on, guys. Go with me and I'll show you. Yeah, Wagwan. Yeah, man. Yes, man. You can see here the work. The workers are continuing. They are working. Yeah. Let's go and see the work.
Boga mnaoacha hapo wote utatoka hapo. Bota ndio. Usione kwa kazi na msongoni. Na kupanga nini kwa kufanya mzigo
Wagwan. I can see the work is good here, man. Yes. Okay, here people are busy. Yeah. The mafundi are so busy. What's up, man? What's up, nigga? Yes. I can see the work here is continuing. The work is good. Yeah, let's go inside. Yeah, you can see the progress. You can see the progress of the house, man. Yeah, the way you see it here, the progress is good. Yeah, the people here are busy working. Yeah, busy working. The progress is good. The progress is good. The people are busy working here, man. You can see. Okay? Yeah, man. Hi. What's up, man? Okay. You can see here the plastering is continuing. The people are continuing the plastering. Yeah, I mean the progress. You can see the progress. Yeah. Today the progress is continuing. Okay, you can look here. Yeah, look, boy. Look. Okay, guys, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, can see here. You're continuing with the work. You're plastering. Okay, I can see you're the mansion. Yeah, you're at the mansion, man. This is the mansion. What's your handman? Oh, your handman. Or you are the only inside there.
Huh?
What's up? What's your name?
My name is Musa.
Okay, you are Musa. Okay, Musa from Upload TZ. You know the mansion that I have seen around here, all they are from TZ. Do you have a channel?
Channel?
Hey. Do you have a YouTube channel? Oh. You don't have. Okay, do again. I see. Why? What's that? This is called inaitwaje?
Chuma Cobra.
Oh, inaitwa Chuma Cobra. Yeah. Okay, see man, this is the Chuma Cobra. We can say the steel cobra. His work is to
kona.
Okay, kutengeneza kona. Hapo ishakuwa sasa. Okay. Okay, Wagwan. What's up, man? What's your name?
My name is Steven.
Okay, you're handman of Mr. Fundi here.
Yes.
Okay, you're handman. Do you have a channel?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
My name of my channel.
Yeah.
Barefoot Presents.
Eh?
I'm Barefoot Presents.
Okay, guys, because of roofing, the iron sheet is making the noise, so it will be not able to hear its sound. And let's right now I think what's your name?
My name is Steven.
Oh, Steven, your channel, you are called Steven to your channel? Yeah.
The name of my channel is Barefoot Presents.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys, as the way you hear the noise is very big because of iron sheet. The people are up there roofing, doing progress of roofing. The progress you can see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, progress house of God. Okay, one man. What's up? Yeah, you can see the progress, yeah? You can see the progress. The progress is good. Progress is good. Yeah. There's someone up there. You can see this on the mansion. There's plastering. What's up? What's up? What's up, man? What's up? How are you? Kwema, uko fresh? Naona ni kazi tu. Okay. You can see here. Yeah. Another place is smooth, but I can see here is rough. Why here is rough and another place is oh yeah. Mbona hapa ni rough hivyo?
Kule pana wekwa ni vigai.
Okay, he's saying that here because it's rough, they are putting the tiles. They are gonna put tiles here. So that's why they have. That's why you have seen they are putting some zigzag lines to this hole. Okay, yeah, that's why you see they are putting the zigzag lines to the hole, and you can see why the other place is smooth, sehemu ingine ni smooth. Kwani tiles haiwezi wekwa kwa smooth?
Ni rangi.
Okay guys, I was asking him why the other place like this one is smooth, very smooth. Yeah, you can see like here is smooth, and when we came here, you can see there is rough, very rough. Why? Let's go. And he has told me that here, because here is rough, they are gonna put here the tiles. Okay, yeah, they are gonna put here the tiles. And here, which is smooth, they have told me that they're gonna paint here. Yeah, they're gonna paint here the color. Yeah, they're gonna paint here the color. They are going to paint. You see this hole here is not like that one. This one here is very smooth. It's smooth because they gonna paint here the color. Okay, yeah, let's go guys. Let's go around the house. Oza, kumbe mchanga tunatoa huko? Acha. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yes guys, the way I told you that today I'm going to meet Brian.
Yeah.
Now Brian is here.
Yeah.
Now I want Brian to tell you that the story of stolen of my phone is true. It's not that I'm gonna lie. No, I'm not a liar, because today I've told you I will show you the OB. I think I show you. I told you that I'm gonna show you the OB. Brian,
yeah.
Let's go this way. I'm gonna show them the OB, Sindio?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the day that you stolen my phone. I went to police station, and I take the OB to arrest you, okay?
Yeah.
And the OB guys
is this one.
The OB is here. Brian, you can show them when. You can show them. Okay, this is the OB. Yeah, this is the OB. This is the OB. You can sing it very well. So, as the way I started to tell you that today I'm gonna show you the OB, and I have Brian's here to tell you that the stolen of my phone is true. It's not false. The way people thinking outside there that I have come to say
A lie.
The people saying that I'm lying. It's not true that the Brian stolen my phones, but the Brian is here. Brian.
Yeah.
You can just tell them.
Oh guys, I'm stealing from Jamaican boy here.
Yes.
A phone, 2 phones.
2 phones, of course.
Yeah.
But now tell them that you are a friend.
The case is be done.
Yeah, and I'm going to withdraw this OB.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the police station. I'm going to say no. I'm going to withdraw this. Now Brian right now is my friend, and guys, I've come volunteer to assist Brian.
Yeah.
Not that there's someone who forced me to assist Brian. No, I'm volunteering to assist Brian works so that we make sure his mansions there is finished.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Brian, the way I've told you earlier that I'm going to be with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, until the day we will done the mansion, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, you just follow me. Yeah, follow and
Watch.
subscribe, watch. Yeah, Brian.
Comment.
How can you tell people? Have you changed?
Yes, guys, I've changed.
Yeah.
Monday, I'm back to school.
Okay, Monday you are going to school.
Yeah.
Which school have you decided to go?
To St. Anne's up there.
Okay, St. Anne's.
Yeah.
I will be coming visiting you guys,
Thank you,
okay?
thank you.
Yeah, I will be coming visiting you because right now I can see you are now a good man.
Yeah.
Even you know English. Hey, very amazing. You know the reason why I didn't take you to school, I was not having that money, yeah. I was not capable to take Brian to school. But if I was to take Brian to school and I was to pay the whole fee, yeah, because I was not capable, that's why I decided to open some business so that we use those money for business to just live, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, you just follow, subscribe and comment, please. Support, let's show love. Let's show love to Brian. Let's show love to channel of my channel, Jamaican Boy Kenya Africa. Jamaican Boy Kenya Africa. Guys, let's show love. Okay, now you can see Brian.
Yeah.
This is your old home.
Yeah.
Let's go around, man. This is your old home, huh?
The mpaka here.
Oh, this is the mpaka.
Yeah.
He's saying that this is the boundary.
Yeah.
Yeah, this home you can see, the home is very big, but you can see this tree. From this tree here.
For that one.
Okay, from the tree there up here.
Yeah.
This is the boundary.
Yeah.
Okay, you mean that this home is not yours?
Yo, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my grandfather.
Yeah.
She wife. Three
Oh,
wives.
have 3 wives?
Yeah.
Oh, your
Oh.
grandpa?
Yeah.
Your grandfather have 3 wives?
Yeah. First one,
Yeah.
she died.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second one?
Is this one?
Okay.
My church.
Your church is which house of your church?
From this one.
Okay.
Down there.
Okay, you say okay. The Brian said that from this one here, from here, this okay. The way you see this tree, the way you see this big tree, this is the boundary of this home. Don't go this way. That way is the another home. This one here is another home, but from this tree, coming this way, coming this way, coming this way, coming this way, up to down there. Yeah. You see? Okay, Brian.
Yeah.
Where's your room?
It's down there.
Oh, let's go there and see how is your room going. But now I think you are happy
Yeah.
because you are going.
Today I'm going to eating meat.
Oh, you have decided. Oh, today you have ginger.
Yeah.
Today you have gingered the goat. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. He's saying that today they have slaughtered the goat. Okay.
Yeah.
Now today we gonna celebrate, man.
Yeah. With soda.
With soda. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is your house.
Yeah.
This is your cage now.
Yeah.
Guys, see, this is the Brian's cage, the Brian's house now. Yeah, as you can see, this is your bed now.
Yeah, my bed.
Okay.
New one.
Okay, this is a new bed.
Yeah.
And I can see the mattress is new.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian.
And briefcase here.
Okay, and you have a briefcase.
Yeah.
Wow. This briefcase has it has your clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, it's very nice briefcase. Who bought for you this one?
Marwa.
Boss Marwa?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Boss Marwa is doing great things, man. You know, hey, we love this Boss Marwa here in village, and in fact, let's show love. Okay, okay. You say that, Brian.
Yeah.
Was you have this one from past?
No.
Yeah.
I'm sleep with questions.
Questions of chair.
Yeah.
Now, who bought for you this one?
Boss Marwa.
Boss Marwa?
Yeah.
Hey, Boss Marwa. God bless Boss Marwa. God bless. Let's God bless Boss. Okay, how do you... Okay, Brian.
Yeah.
Hey, you even doesn't have a window. But I think now you are going to live like
A boss.
like a boss.
Yeah.
In bungalow.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Yeah, this Brian, man. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You know, me, the day one, my first day to meet this boy here. Sorry.
Do you remember me?
Maybe you tell me what's your name,
The
man?
first day you to be here,
Yeah.
before you came here, first you came at the Marwa there.
Yeah.
And you met me
Okay.
at the gate.
Oh, it's you.
Yes. And
You tell
know-
me that don't record here.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you have to follow some protocols and rules.
Okay,
There's
I
some-
know, bro. I understand.
That is nice.
But I have not catch your face, but now
Yeah.
I have know you now.
Yes, even me, I know you are Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican
Already
boy.
I've subscribed you.
Okay.
Yeah, here is Mosabi.
Mosabi.
I'm the one handling it there at the Marwa.
Okay.
So right now I'm here.
The Mosabi is here, you boys. Yeah, guys, the Mosabi is here.
You have to know the real story.
Yeah.
Brian.
Yeah.
Brian to succeed,
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah.
it was a chain
Yeah.
from Dan to me to this guy.
Okay.
Yeah. You ask him, we tell you.
Okay. The story it's come from
This
From
man.
Dan,
from this man.
yeah.
Mosabi.
From me
Uh-huh.
to Dan to this guy.
To done this, it's done.
Yeah, I know.
Not done with this
The
man.
phone was belongs to Dan, and Dan gave me phone
Okay.
to charge for him.
Uh-huh.
When it's teacher time, Dan told me just go and bring my phone.
Your
I went
phone?
there, and again there's no.
This is
phone.
another case, man. This is another case.
Yeah.
It's
That is how it
okay.
goes.
That's my case is different with this for
Yeah.
Mosabi here.
And the what I think he opened for brand the doors, as you can see right now. Brand has a good
Yeah, mansion, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. The way you listen Mosabi saying here, is the same case.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah, that is the same case.
Okay.
But now, brand, right now, you are a good boy. I
Yeah.
hope. You have
Yeah.
changed. You are now a good boy.
You have really changed.
You have
Yeah.
really, but you have to go to church.
Yes.
Yeah.
you
Leave
know.
alone church. You
Yeah.
have to go to school.
Yeah, to school, but the church
Brian.
first, then school.
I need
Eh,
every Sunday.
Yeah.
Make sure you go to church.
every
Monday
Sunday,
to Friday. You are in
school.
He will be taken to boarding school. So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think,
Even school, you have the church.
yeah,
You have to be
Yeah,
there.
Yeah.
the school have the church.
because
yeah.
it is boarding.
Now,
he
boys,
will always
you know,
attending.
I was having an OB.
Yes.
You know, the first day I come there, I never knew you are the Musabi.
I'm the one. I'm Mosabi.
Just leave.
If
Okay.
you have been watching a Marwa video,
Yeah.
sometime you really call me Mosabi. Why are you
Yeah,
Mosabi,
of
Mosabi?
course, I really had that
Yeah,
sound.
that name.
Yeah, that name.
Sometimes you won't see me.
Now that is
Yeah.
this is the real
I'm the
Musabi.
one Mosabi.
Okay.
Sometimes
The
you hear
person
me.
you are-
I
you
never
will hear him.
Uh-huh.
You hear him call Mosabi.
Yeah.
While shooting a video.
Yeah.
You've never seen me.
I never, you know, I really hear that. I really hear that name to.
So
to
many
boss-
YouTubers,
Yeah.
even not even Marwa Gitiriba, Uncle Modi Mwango, the
Yeah, they
junior.
really call Mosabi.
Yeah, yes. Because
Okay.
I'm there. So right now we are here. Thank you.
Yeah.
But I don't know your case and Brian how it goes.
My case of Brian, you know, Brian, me too. Brian is stolen
Yeah.
from me too.
Yeah, I
two
watched
phones.
it. Yes.
So
Now
you just
that
have-
case,
Eh,
I have an OB. you know,
but
the people was thinking
the
that.
final, yes, I know you have, but the,
The
final,
people was thinking that I'm
the-
cheating.
Yes, the final result you have done is to.
I've decided to forgive Brian,
That is nice.
and this case I'm going to withdraw
Okay. If you have-
today. Right now, I'm going to.
yeah.
If I'm going to from here, I'm going to withdraw the case of
Yeah,
Brian
just go
from
and
police
withdraw-
station
Just
there.
go and withdraw because
Yeah,
this guy is an orphan.
yeah, of
as you
course.
know.
Yeah, I
So
know.
you can't say right now Brian is building a good mansion, so you have
Yeah.
to take money from
Yeah,
others.
of course.
You have decided to withdraw.
Yeah.
Thank you, and may God praise you.
Okay.
You will get somewhere else. So
Okay.
unless you are
I know.
alive,
Okay, you know,
yeah, I know.
from first day, I came here.
Yeah.
I get challenged. Yeah, you know, when I came here, I
The
saw.
people serve the soup.
Okay,
Maji kunywa nisaidie.
when I came here,
Niletee wali nikataza ndio niletee.
when I came here the first day,
Yes.
I saw the progress.
Yes.
Yeah, of the mansion of Brian, and the people told me that the Brian, because of stalling,
Yes.
it's become this way.
Yes.
Yeah, the boss Marwa have decided to build
the house for him.
the house for Brian and his
Grandma.
and her grandma. And me, I said, why me? I come to arrest Brian.
There's no need.
I joined boss Marwa,
Yes.
and I said that now let's show love to Brian.
Yeah.
Maybe he will change now. And the Brian,
Yeah.
he told that he have changed.
Yeah, in fact, I say maybe the fact I can say, maybe plan to maybe to take someone property.
Yeah,
You know, first is an orphan.
yeah, orphan.
He's living with their grandma.
Of
so
course.
sometimes to get something
Is-
to somehow difficult,
is
which is not
difficult.
good to get someone.
Of
But
course.
right now, Brian, as you can see, has a good mansion.
Yeah,
Brian is now have changed it, really changed it.
Yeah.
So I say, Brian, just change as the way you did.
yeah.
And don't anybody see and say just come here and you are here.
Yeah.
Maybe they are going to finish building this house when they go. So maybe you are just working in the village, you get someone and you take it. No,
No,
just
don't.
leave it.
You just
All
leave
person.
it.
There are
and,
some people who have a demand to have this mansion. They
In
don't
fact,
have. They don't have. There are so
Yeah.
many here working there. They don't have.
Yeah.
Right now you have a mansion. So you are saying, may God bless you. For those who are supporting Brian, just support him.
support and
Support
show
him.
love. Yeah,
Yeah, support
the way I've come volunteer. You know, today is my day 4 here. Is day 4, Brian? Today is day 4. Me
Yeah,
to
I
be here.
think, yeah.
Me to be here.
Yes.
It's day 4.
Hey.
But as from day 1,
Yeah.
as from day 1,
Yes.
I decided to be volunteer
Beautiful.
and
yeah.
assist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But my
So,
friend,
yeah.
me, I'm not a YouTuber.
Okay.
I'm just talking at the Marwa.
Okay.
I've been hearing some mentions from people. Maybe
Yeah.
you are here, just come to work
Okay.
as a volunteer.
Yeah.
As you go,
Yeah.
and you go there with some negative words, it's not good.
It's not good. And
If you have not succeeded here,
yeah.
you'll be succeeding anywhere.
Anyway, yeah, of
So
course.
don't be here, just I went there.
No,
I was-
even not that way.
Yeah, I
you know me here.
Yeah.
Even right now,
Yes.
I'm talking. Right now, the way I'm talking.
Yeah.
You know, I was having 78 subscribers.
Yes.
4 days back, 87 subscribers. But because
Of Brian.
of Brian,
Yes.
because of Boss Marwa,
Yeah.
I have reached. Right now, I'm talking. I have reached 950 subscriber, and today
And you are going to 1K.
I'm going to reach 1K.
Have you seen? You could say you have to arrest Brian.
Yeah,
Who could subscribe to your channel?
of course,
No
man.
one.
Yeah,
That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
If you are just
Let
here,
me go to eat as well.
go. I'm coming. I'm coming.
yeah, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Just you are here doing as a volunteer,
Yeah,
like me here, man.
yeah,
I said I've told you that I'm working at Marwa.
yeah.
So I can't say me here. I'm just there. I don't have a channel. So let me go and give some negative words. No.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, the good person in this world I have never ever seen
Yeah.
is Marwa.
Hey, that man is very. Even me.
I say before God.
Yeah.
I am
You mean
Marwa.
it?
I say before God, I am Marwa. Is the only good person in this
Hey,
world.
in fact, even me, I have never see. We have many YouTuber, yeah.
No, even
But,
some rich person.
yeah.
We have member of parliament, MPs, MCA, governors.
I've never.
You never get someone hosting 30 people in his home,
Yeah.
giving them food, soap, water, everything.
Everything. People
Even the house to sleep.
to sleep.
And there people are saying negative. Just I'm telling you, you will never go there and change.
Of course.
Yeah.
I will not change.
Yeah.
And
Here is Musabe. I was just advising this guy
Yeah.
because I know him. The first day when he came to the Ayamara,
Yeah.
I think you was recording, but
Yeah.
you didn't record me.
I never
But
record.
today
Yeah.
I've appeared on your channel. Thank you so much. Yes,
Thank you,
Musabe.
boys. Yeah.
I think some many people knows me.
Yeah.
If they will see on the comment section, they'll be, oh, that's Musabe. If they have been watching Ayamara video,
Yeah.
and they came on your video,
Okay.
they know me well.
Thank you,
Thank you so
guys. Thank you so much. You have said that you don't have a
I
channel.
don't have a channel
Oh, why?
for some good reasons.
Okay, okay. Let's go and take now food down there. Yeah. Yeah.
Alafu sahani
yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, here people, it's lunch hour now. It's lunch. The people is taking lunch. This is the mansion. Mansions people.
Yeah, for sure.
And they are worker handman.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And the roofer.
Exactly.
And me here, volunteer boy. Yes, yaman. It's lunch hours now. Let's take lunch.
Mbio. Anayesavu nyama achunge sana. Hadi siku watu wasije wakore. Watu wanakula sukuma humu. Lakini mboga hapo. Hapo si. Yaani hiyo inatosha hiyo. Tutachanganya matumbo. Hata matumbo hapo. Mbio.
Sahani zimeisha.
Hivyo. Anti, tumbo ni moja. Ini matumbo. Wewe unajua umesabu ugali mwingi. Hiyo ugali unaweka ni mwingi. Kama ugali ya huyu watu wanakula wawili. Unasukuma. Utafanya kazi ngapi? Hivyo. Tosha. Weka ugali. Angalia kama ugali ya huyo ni watu wawili, huyo anaenda huyo. Amekula ugali ya watu wawili.
Watamaliza hiyo ugali. Acha niende nitafute sahani hata mimi nikuje nini. Yeah man. We are taking for lunch. Man. Yeah man. Yo.
Watu wa jikoni unajua baada ya watawa.
Hii ni fry ama ni?
Hiyo ni fry.
Kweli bana. Kwani kuna boil iko wapi?
Boil ilikuwa pale. Imeisha.
Oh, ilikuwa pale.
Nani hana sahani?
Kwa hiyo
Nani hana sahani?
Yeah man. Oh, ni supu? Supu zinakuja kukunywa. Supu unakuja kunywa. Labda ni ya Kenya ni kulia. Labda nyama.
Weka nyingine.
Woza. Yes.
Kweli kuna sukuma?
Ugali wametuiba.
Hiyo ni supu. Kunyweni hiyo supu. Kunyweni hiyo supu moja. Na inamu unakula.
Tanya juu. Ngora. Tanya ngora. Mshitako na mugwane nchango.
Nani amerusha mafupa?
Mose wenyu.
Nani amerusha mafupa?
Mose mura.
Yeah, today is a celebrate. We celebrate. You can see how these kids celebrate here. Yeah, got this. Hii ni supu ya mbuzi. Wewe.
Haya mano.
Alafu mimi hapa wewe nimetulia huko.
Mulisha nokuhuta.
Sabi kwani hayunye pere?
Yule ndio hajakunywa.
Mimi ndio sijakunywa hata mmoja.
Haya kunywa mbu.
Yeah man. Yeah man. Geuza kamera. Hata nikushikie hiyo ready. Yeah man. This is after work now. This is lunch time. There you have that. Today you have slaughter goat. This is a goat. This is a meat of goat, okay?
And cow.
A meat of cow and the goat.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah man.
Kama nyama nyingi, leta nyama tusaidie. Niko bunda. Kama ni nyingi ndio kusaidia nyama.
Big up. Rate me on your nyama.
No. This food is baby.
Wewe just unakula sumu. Look this guy here. She eating. Look.
Hello, big up guys to whenever you're connecting from. You can also search me at my YouTube channel.
I can't answer this.
Stop jokes in Africa, we don't joke with food.
Barry, how are you?
I'm fine.
I can answer the meat.
Yes.
Thank you. It's fine.
Wasilekesha nyama? Kesho nyama? Kesho dagaa?
Kesho ni mchele na kuku.
Okay. Na mbuzi? Soda.
Bosi. Soda.
Sawa bosi. Soda kile sitatosha wapi? Boda. Dan ako wapi? Soda. Yeah man. Hata huyu ako hapa. Yeah man. Na wala mchele. Now guys, yeah, the way you see is the iron sheet. Yeah, I've decided now to be frontier. You see how the work is it? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Pole tu.
Yeah. Uncle, I am waiting for soda.
Yeah man, the way I told you, this is the iron sheet, yeah? Now, yeah, this is the iron sheet. Very expensive. Yeah. Yeah man, we are just taking outside this iron sheet. We are taking outside the iron sheet so that they use it for roofing. Roofing the bungalow of Brayo.
Yeah.
Brayo.
Yeah.
But I've come to realize you two, you have made me be proud of my friend.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. I have told you that I will keep visiting you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Behind the camera is Brian. Behind the camera. Come on.
The show should go with the key.
Ameenda ufungue. Nani?
My shosh.
You are sure.
Go with the key.
Yeah.
Yani anatunza hizo vitu.
Sasa na next week tunaenda kupiga mabati. Na hapo hiyo sehemu inaenda kupiga bati sasa. Kwa nini uliweka hiyo pahali ambapo kazi inaendelea?
How are you, Fundi?
I'm good, my friend.
You are eating meat. Fundi, this is my Fundi here.
Yeah.
You are fine?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Me too. Well, my name is
Kichwa.
yeah.
Your name is Kichwa. Thank you, Kichwa.
Yeah, man. Volunteer. Let's show love. Show love. Yeah, as you can see up there, the people are busy roofing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. How are you?
This is calling 254. Connect to.
Connect
254.
Yeah.
Connect 254.
This is Connect 254.
Yeah, man.
This is my first time I think appearing in this
Yeah, you have appeared
today.
Today is the first time.
Yeah, so guys, if you are seeing me for the first time, I go by the name Connect 254 in YouTube. Connect CONNECT 254 as one word. You put a space, you cannot find me. So I'm here in Brian's grandma house.
Yeah.
We're just trying to build.
Yeah, man.
We're just building over here. You can see even I'm very dirty. Show them.
Yeah, man. You can see. Yeah,
I'm even dirty here.
it's very dirty. Very
Even the
dirty.
feet.
Yeah, you can see.
You can see
Yeah,
them
man.
here.
And what is this? Why have you tightened your leg?
Okay, actually I was working yesterday.
Yeah.
Crashing some rocks over there.
Okay.
But accidentally one of the pieces flew and it hit me over here.
Okay.
Blood started going out. I went to the hospital and I got treatment. So I'm tying this so that the dust cannot go in here.
Yeah, man.
We have
Okay.
a white material
Yeah,
here.
I can see white material there.
Okay, let me show you. Quick fast. You see? I don't want this to
Okay,
be
this is
that.
the bandage.
Let's say it's a bandage. I don't know.
Yeah, we call it bandage, eh?
Yeah, so I'm tying it this way.
It's a bandage.
I'm tying it so that it cannot be dirty
Yeah.
because we have a lot of dust.
A
here.
lot of dust of cement.
Yes.
Cement dust.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry. Keyword, bro. Keyword.
I'm doing well.
Okay.
I'm taking medicine.
Yeah.
You see, I'm working, so it means that I'm well.
You are good. Okay, guys. Yeah. Please kindly support Connector 254. Connect. Yeah, it's Connect 254, guys. Please support, show love. Yeah, man. Show love.
My phone is off. I think I will have shown you guys
Yeah.
my channel because a lot of you guys have been getting challenges trying to get my name.
Okay.
Most of the people
Yeah.
are trying to search me. They are putting a space between Connect and 254,
Okay.
and it shouldn't be there.
Yeah, man.
So no space.
No space.
Connect 254 as one word.
As one word. Connect 254. No space.
Yes.
Yeah, Jamaican boy.
Yes.
Yeah, Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa. Please, guys, show us love by subscribing our videos. Yeah, please subscribe, watch, and comment.
You can comment and say maybe you are coming from Jamaican.
Okay, I'm a Jamaican boy from Kenya. From Kenya, Africa.
So see you guys on the other side.
Okay.
That's if you come.
Okay, guys. Okay. I think before I've told you about OB. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I'm here today. The boss asked me yesterday that I brought my OB so that those one who say that the OB is not real, yeah, I've come with the OB so that I prove those people that the OB was the OB was there, and the case of me and the Brian is real case. Yeah, and of course he steal from me 2 phones. Not that it's jokes, man. He steal from me two phones. Yeah, Samsung 06 and Nokia. Okay, now guys, yeah, today I'm here to tell you that The OB is around, and I've already showed them. I've already shown you the OB. Yeah, which I was to arrest. I was to arrest Brian, you know. I was to come here with a policeman. I was to come here with a policeman and arrest Brian, okay? So guys, when I'm here, don't just say that we have planned. No, that one was not a plan. Yeah, those people say who are saying that was a plan, I can tell you that was not a plan. That was not a plan, guys. Yeah, was not a plan. Yeah, because even Brian or even Brian have told you that it's true. He's stolen from me. Even Brian has told you that it's true. He has stolen from me. And guys, those one who don't believe that the Brian is stolen from me and I'm here just a frontier and assist the work of this mansion here, the mansion which is going on here. Guys, don't you just watch and follow the way we have do. Okay, so guys, I can say that me to become frontier, it's because Brian amenibamba. I can say Brian have show me like a good behavior. He has already changed. Yeah, the Brian have already changed. The Brian is a good boy now. Yeah, even I will be coming here each and every time I get a chance. I will be coming here, visiting Brian. I will be going to school, visiting Brian. Yeah, because of Brian, that's why, man. Yeah, you have support me. Because of Brian, boss Marwa have given me a shout. Yeah, and the guys, I'm happy. I'm happy for 1K subscriber. And guys, yeah, guys, support me to reach 5,000 subscriber. Guys, support me to reach 5,000 subscriber. Okay, guys. Yeah, as you can see there, the soda is already there. Soft drink. The soda is just here. Now let's take soda. You know, before we have already taken the ugari with the meat. And at the past we have already take ugari and meat of goat and the cow. Now I can see here the soda is here now. The soda is here. Okay, the soda is come. They have already bring the soda. Now let us take soda drink. I mean soft drink. Let's go and take soft drink, man. Yeah, but for me and Brian, it's over. I'm going to withdraw. Yeah, serious. Even if you want a letter, you just tell me. I'm going to write a letter and show you. I'm going to write and go there to the village police station. I'm going to withdraw the case of Brian and me, and to me, in my heart, I have already withdrawn. I don't have issue, me and Brian. Brian is my brother now. Brian is like my boy now, okay? Yeah. Even if right now they tell me that you go with the Brian to your home, I can say, wow, let's go with him, because the Brian himself has promised me and the others and boss I am Marwa that he has changed, man. Okay, now let's take soda. Let's take soft drink, man. Let's go and take soft drink. Yeah, you just and want to.
I'm fine, uncle. What about you?
Soft. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is the soda, soft drink. Yeah, after eating the curry and the meat, now the soft drink is here, so we want to take it. Yeah, you can see.
Hey,
yeah, man.
guys, we're here. This is Church Hotels.
Yeah, man.
We are here today. It's a hell of a party.
Yeah.
Eating a good.
Yeah.
Eating a meat. Now we are celebrating. Also, you say, hey. No, even today is not today. It is tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we are here.
Yeah.
Actually today.
Today, see, it's not this one only.
Me, I want
Call the Coca-Cola.
eating a lot of meat.
Okay, now Coca-Cola for refreshment. Tukate chakula.
Yeah, wow. Today I'm feeling like Christmas.
Yeah, man.
Let me give you.
Yeah, man. Okay. I think they have brought 5 crates. 5 crates of soda. 5 crates of soft drink. Yeah. In fact, today is like Christmas here.
So guys, keep supporting my brother here. He's one of my best friends.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
So
man.
keep pushing him, guys.
Yeah, man.
Kindly, and comment what you think about the video so that we can see what
Yeah,
they are
man.
here really pushing. You can see I'm here ensuring them.
Yeah.
This is Gemini Insurance. I make sure that they are safety first.
Yeah.
Though I worked as an insurance salesperson,
Yeah.
but I never sold any insurance.
And
But-
yes. Which soft drink do you like? Soda.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, you have said
I
Coca-Cola
only do Coca-Cola.
because it will do what?
And it gives
It
me
will
some,
reduce.
yes, some gas. You do.
Okay.
I really like that. You know when you're full
Yeah.
and you get that gas,
Yeah.
you do like. Now I like that feeling. Now I stay and relax. Of course. So we are here.
Now let's. Okay.
Who is supporting us?
Yeah, I think it's Boss Marwa.
Oh, it's Bosmaro. Hey, today Bosmaro is showered us.
We have eaten goat, a meat of goat. This is Coca-Cola.
So cool.
This is Coca-Cola. And this is yellow.
Yeah, this is fun.
Oh, this is Fanta.
Baridi.
Yeah, Fanta Baridi. Yeah, this one. It's very sweet. This is Novida. But this one is very cold. This is called this. No. This one is not. It's really Sawa. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. Big day.
Yeah, man. Big day. Christmas. Big day like a Christmas. Today is a Christmas here inside. Yeah? Sawa. Let's go there and push.
Check the cement.
The cement.
Yeah. Read the back here.
Yeah.
What is say?
Security, your financial future.
Yeah.
See.
I'm an insurance
Security.
guy. Don't joke with me, guys. Giving you top insurance.
Yeah, man. Now let's volunteer here and push the tuk-tuk. You can see the tuk-tuk imekwama.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. It's not hard. It's just simple like that, yeah? Yeah, man.
Hizi ni zawadi. George Sama ule supplier wetu ametuzawadia mifuko 20. This is 20
Wow.
bags. Let us come as
This is the
a donation
gift.
of the supplier. George Sama, thank you. Haya. Guys, what's up? I'm here with
Jamaican boy.
Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Kenya.
Yes, Jamaican boy Kenya.
Yes.
I'm here to support him, guys. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers for this young man.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep
guys.
supporting him so that he can leave Brian alone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
boss. You know,
yes.
last I think it was yesterday.
Yes.
You tell me that they come with an OB.
Yes.
Yeah, you know.
He has arrived with the OB.
Yes.
You can show them, but you've already shown me on
Yeah,
my
I've
YouTube
already
video.
shown you. But I can
It is
show
true.
you. Yeah.
It's a true story, guys.
Yeah, not
True
that
story.
it's
It's not false.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now,
Thank you. Let me receive this call.
Okay, boss.
Hello.
Now, guys, let me show you the OB. I think I've already shown you too. But yeah, guys, you just follow and continue following me. Yeah, I'm going to. Here we are. Just take this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Bring them down really quick.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah,
here, guys.
he's removing a cement from tuk-tuk. Yeah, this is the gift. Yeah?
From the guy who used to supply us cement.
Yeah, this is the gift from the one who supplied this. Okay.
Supplying cement here.
Yeah.
Has decided to surprise us with.
Yeah, imagine this. He has decided to show love, huh?
Show some love and appreciation for.
Yeah, of course, guys.
And really appreciate.
Yeah, man.
20 bags. This is bag number 5.
Bag number 5. Yeah, as you can see, man. Yeah, the bag is. Oh, man. Yeah, the boss have decided to give a gift. Yeah, I've decided to show love.
Yeah, so tomorrow
we are
doing the floor.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so I think tomorrow we have enough bags.
Yeah.
So we're really doing the floor tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, tomorrow the floor will be done.
Yeah, but right now we have 70 bags. We received 50 in the morning.
Okay.
Now we have 20.
Yeah, man. You can see here. Yeah, the work is really beautiful. Yeah.
And also,
yeah, man.
Tell them to insure themselves.
Okay.
Take insurance. Tell them to read this.
As you can see here, back here, it's security. Okay, read it. Okay, just put it. It's read security, financially, future.
Yeah, secure your financial future. So insure.
Yeah, secure. Yeah, man. Ora sunyori umuzungu mumwamu.
Urugaka runuruna amabi. Amabidia.
Amabidia ntarishira so.
Kana pesa itoshangiani.
Chipesa chitagoisi.
Hata unaweza pata uniadopt basi mimi niseme ni mtoto. Sasa unaficha tu kwa video. So we are here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
The people are busy. Too busy here. As you can see.
Yes.
Can I assist you? I can see this.
Let me hold your camera and just.
Yeah, hold my camera. You know here we have become frontier.
Yeah. I know tare live. Hey, to upload later. Touch. Kurete. So guys, we also have one of us here. Check out. Now they are enjoying the soda. Hi.
We are here at the site. We are Marwa's friends.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's your name, please?
My name is Mercy. Yeah.
Are you single, Mercy?
Yes.
I'm also single. Yes.
You can see I'm busy.
Yeah.
I'm busy, just volunteer.
Yeah. This is my boy here. You can see tired but still pushing.
Yeah, still pushing.
Keep supporting Jamaican boy. Jamaican boy from Kenya, and me I'm Chacha Tales.
Yeah.
Mimi naitwa Chacha Tales YouTube. Hii ni Jamaican boy from Kenya hii.
Waya yako hii yenye una nini ndani?
Hii ni ya huyu
Jamaican boy from Kenya and Africa.
Yeah.
What's that?
Hii ile. So guys, you can see.
Yeah, you can see the work is we are continuing to work here.
20 bucks down.
Yeah, 20 bucks down.
And we are still going to do the slab.
These are tuk-tuk.
Yes.
These are tuk-tuk, not a tipper.
Yeah, our tipper carries 100.
Yeah.
And we offload the tipper.
Yeah. See.
So guys, you can see we are done. Really strong men from Kenya. Oh, pale. Sawa.
Yeah, man.
Sasa utaendelea kupiga.
Yes guys. Yes guys, you can see in the site here we have a visitor. Yeah, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Mercy.
Mercy.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mercy. Okay, I can see you have Fanta here. You are enjoying. You know, today is today here we have a Christmas, yeah? Yeah.
So let's go get some soda.
Yeah, some soda there. Oh, they have already taken soda.
Let's run there.
Oh, it's here.
Soda.
It's here.
It's soda is
Yo. So let's go down there. Yes.
Tell me now.
Let's go and take soda.
Yeah, let's go and take soda.
You know, dust. When you do a work to a dust,
you really need to.
Yeah, you have to take cold water
and cold soda.
Or cold soda.
Or soup.
Or soup.
Taking soup.
Yeah, soup.
Yeah.
Now let's take soda.
Tulia, mtapewa soda. Tulia.
Yeah, man. Yo, we are here.
Tulia tu.
So we are here. Let's be cool. Yeah, so that we given a soft drink.
Yeah, even boss is here.
Yeah, even boss Marwa is here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is
kijana wewe. Soda iko wapi ya ule kijana?
We don't need opener. We don't need opener here.
Open with your
just open with our teeth. Like this. So this is Coke, guys. Yeah. This is Fanta.
Yeah, I can do this. It smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. Acha nisaidie boss.
Saidia.
How amazing today, yeah. The people are celebrating with the soda. Have you already taken a soda? Okay. And you?
Soda amenimwambia baba yangu.
Onja hii. Chukua hii yangu onje. Hii. Yeah, man. Boys, how do you feel now? How is the day? How is the day? Hey, hello guys. Umejisikia aje kukunywa soda leo manze?
Soda.
Oh.
She come for this celebration.
Is it soda that
she making come here?
Boys, you mean you love soda? You really want soda? What's your name? Sira. How do you feel today? And today leo imekuwa Christmas, yeah? Today is like Christmas because you have eaten goat meat, cow meat, you have drunk soup, we call it a soup, and soda, you have already taken a soda. Hey boys, today see how people is happy here. Guys, see how the people is happy. The people are very happy. Yeah, the people here is very happy. Today have been a good Christmas. Yeah, today is a Christmas. Kizo is here. It's feeling good with Coca-Cola.
Kizo. K-I-Z-O-H.
Okay.
Yeah, not
Kizo is here. Yeah. You are enjoying soda now.
I'm enjoying soda, Coca-Cola.
After taking a meat of goat.
Yeah, sure, and a lot of soup.
Yeah.
I enjoy it, thank God.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay, today I can say today is a Christmas here.
Yeah.
Sight.
Yeah.
Yeah, here the workers are celebrating, yeah? They are celebrating soda after taking lunch with nyama ya mbuzi. We call it goat meat.
Goat meat and the beef meat.
And the beef meat.
The cow meat.
The cow meat. I can see you are collecting the chupa. Oh, this is the bottle.
Yeah.
But this one is full.
Yeah, that's full.
No space.
Yeah, I'm remaining with 4.
All remaining 4.
Yeah. This is 1.
Okay, 1 is here.
Remaining 3.
2 is here.
No, that one is having his own plates.
Okay. Another one is here. Hey
guys.
What's up, guys?
How are you, my friend? Welcome back. Who are you? Kindly introduce yourself. We are with Brian here.
Cool Brian, guys.
See what Brian have put on?
Yeah.
What is the size? Size number 45.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian.
So crazy, guys. Yeah, man.
No, you know
44.
44 size.
what's the funny with Brian's legs? You can see.
Hey, the Xigino is big. Yeah, you can see the workers there. The work is continuing up there. The roofing.
We had slaughtered the goats.
Yeah, of course.
Beef meat.
Of course.
Have the kales, the
Ugali,
sodas,
supu,
the soup, the roasted meat. It's really a good Friday.
Yeah, today is a Friday.
Today is a Friday. Welcome to the weekend.
Okay.
The weekend vibes. You're gonna have
The weekend vibe.
like this. Yeah. Huh?
What's
So guys, I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's Robbie David.
Yeah.
To my YouTube channel.
Yeah,
You can also subscribe there.
Yeah, man.
Show the love from East Africa. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, the Jamaican Boy.
Yeah, Jamaican boy, Kenya.
Yes.
Africa.
Yeah.
What's up?
So never forget to subscribe to this channel, guys.
Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, as you can see, others they are doing the bricks. Yeah, we call it blocks. Yeah, these are blocks in Africa. We do blocks. Yeah, you can see how they do blocks. Guys, the mixing of cement and the sand and water. Oh my God. Sorry. Yeah man. This is how they do works. They do blocks. This is how they do blocks, man. Here in Africa, here in village. Yeah man. Yeah. It's this. Now the work you can see here. It's late now. Yeah. It's 6. It's 6 evening. Now it means the work for today it's over. Yeah. Here to Brian's home. Now I'm going back. Today I'm going back to my village, okay? Yeah, now let's say thank you guys. Yeah, and follow me please. Yeah, I'm going home now. Yeah, because it's late. You can see the house the way it is. Yeah, the workers have already clear. Yeah, working now. Now guys, follow me. as I'm going home, as the work has already finished, we have already finished our work. Now guys, thank you for following me. Kindly guys, follow me, subscribe and like. Yeah, Jamaican boy. Yeah, I'm Jamaican boy guys. Kindly follow me and subscribe. Yeah, let's show love to Brian. Let's show love to Brian guys, and everything will be okay. Yeah, now it's time. I want to go home. It's time now. You know, we have already finished a work of today. Okay, let me say a work of today we have already finished. Okay, yeah, now guys, me, you know, I came from different village. Yeah, I am not from around here. I am from different village. Now I have to go home. I have to in fact, in my home is 11 kilometers from here, so have to use transport. Yeah, I have to use transport to my home there. In fact, my village home is called Masaba. It's in Migori County, Kenya. Yeah, guys, let me start journey going back home. Now, guys, let me tell you that kindly subscribe, guys, comment and like. Love you guys. Show love. Let's show love, guys. Let's show love. Yeah, let's show love. Yeah, when I'm in the journey going home, that's shit. I don't know how can I call it? Iron sheet. Yeah, that's iron sheet, which you see someone have passed with it here. We call it iron sheet. As you can see the bungalow here. Yeah, the workers have already finished their work, and as the volunteer, me, I want to go home now, guys. Bye. Okay guys, bye. Well, let's go home. We shall meet, guys.